Hi you guys, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Christmas craft video for y'all. We have a few smaller crafts and then we have two fairly larger crafts that I am so excited to show you guys because I just think that they are the cutest thing in the whole wide world. They're so adorable. I'm sure if you have a toddler age child at home, we've all seen those cutie little felt trees that you can put on your wall. Well, today we're gonna be making our own version of that, only ours is gonna be so much better because we're actually gonna be labeling with two different languages. I'm using English and Croatian, but you guys can put anything you want. That is the best thing about this. That's why it's so much better than buying it, is you can personalize them any which way you want. And I can't wait to show you. So without further ado, give this video a big thumbs up for me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on those notification bells, and we can hop right in. For our first craft today, guys, we're going to be using 8 popsicle sticks. I'm using 6 larger ones and 2 smaller ones, just aligning all of those larger ones together nice and straight. And now we're just gluing on those smaller popsicle sticks and we're starting to paint. You guys can use any colors you want. I'm using red and green. And now it is time to decorate, guys. This is how I'm decorating. You guys can use a bunch of different things, but this is just how I did it. For our next craft, guys, we're going to be using popsicle stick and colored paper. You want to cut around 1/4 of that popsicle stick off. And then with 2 uncut popsicle sticks, you just want to make a triangle. Glue that together. Now glue that to the back side of your colored paper and just cut it out along the line. Now we're just going to be creating some antlers, guys. I'm cutting my popsicle sticks in half, but you guys can use whatever length you want, and then I'm using the ends of the popsicle sticks. For decorations, I just added a cutie red nose, some googly eyes, eyelashes, and some pink blush made out of colored paper. If you wanted to make this into an ornament, all you would have to do is add some sort of hook, and we have these adorable little reindeer. Now taking some colored paper, we're just going to be cutting out some shapes. I am using something to trace my circles because I can't draw a perfect circle. This next craft is going to be a little bit time consuming, guys. Now we are just cutting those out and gluing them onto cardboard. I retraced my circles just because I couldn't see the outline underneath, but if you cut your circles out from the paper, don't even worry, you don't have to worry about this step. This is definitely my most favorite craft in this video, guys. It is so cute and it's educational, so that's great. For the characters, if you don't want to make them out of colored paper or draw them, that's no problem. You can just print something out online and glue it onto cardboard, but I definitely suggest cutting it out before you do that. Now it's time to decorate our ornaments. You guys can hand this task over to the kids if you want, or decorate however you'd like. Now just using some scrap glitter paper, I'm going to be cutting out some shapes. Now using a very large piece of cardstock, you guys can also use cardboard or a poster board for this. I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to be cutting out the outline of my tree. So I'm going right down the middle and then from there going to the very tippity top all the way down to the sides to make a triangle shape. So I've glued on some little ornaments and a cutie little tree stump, but we're going to be also gluing on our shapes where all of the other larger characters are going to be magnets. Now we're going to be adding our magnet tape to our characters. We're just going to be adding this to the back of them at first. You guys can also use Velcro tape. And we're just going to be placing those on our tree. And the only reason I'm not putting the magnet tape directly on the tree is because I want to just play around with my placement to see if I like where everything is. Once you're satisfied with that, you can go ahead and put your tape right on the back of your ornaments so that the sticky side is face down. And you're just going to stick that right on so it's a perfect fit for the tree. Now we're going to be creating our labels, guys, and I'm using English and Creation, but I'm also using different colors for the different colors that I'm labeling. And I'm also going to be labeling my shapes and the ornament. Once again, I'm doing 2 different languages using English and Creation, but y'all can put any languages that you want. Once those are all finished, we are just going to glue them onto the board to the corresponding character or shape. For all of my ornaments, I did colors, so blue is blue, pink is pink, orange is orange, and then for my shapes, I labeled them as is. And now the kids can take these off and play with them, and it's just the cutest little Christmas craft. I think it is so adorable. You guys can also make really cute scenes like this, and I do prefer this just because you can make so many characters. You can make so many cute things. I made 2 little penguins, a bird, and again, you guys can just print something online if you don't want to make these from scratch, so it'll make it easier on you. And yeah, it's so cute. I really hope that you guys liked this. Okay, you guys, so that is it. I know that those 2 crafts at the end were a little bit more challenging than the first few, but it doesn't have to be that hard. You guys can print out pictures. You can cut out cutie little ornaments out of felt, whatever you want. You do you. You make it how you want. And that's the best part about this. And that's why it's so much better than buying it. And I just think that they're the cutest things in the whole wide world. And plus it was really fun to make for you guys. So I'm so appreciative, by the way, of all of the positive feedback and all of the nice things that you guys have to say about all my Christmas videos and my holiday videos. I really am so thankful. I love putting out this type of content for you, so it makes me so happy that you guys enjoy watching this type of content, and I can't wait to put out more for you. So with that being said, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up for me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on those notification bells, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!